Okay, coming to you right now with a little bit of an addendum that I should have actually shared with you guys, and so anyway, but I didn't. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you what I should have showed you, and that was leaders. I didn't show you guys actually one thing that is actually kind of important, and that is this right here. You got this right here. This is what's called a leader. It says sliding door, and it's got an arrow next to it. That's called a leader, and I didn't show you guys how to do this, so I'm going to show you right now. I've got this one too. It says down. Okay, so I've got a sliding door, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do these. So first of all, what I would do is over here, I would, just if I was going to put these in, I didn't put my stairs in, but oh well. Neither did I put in the sliding doors. But let me show you how we do this. First of all, I'd go to the text layer. And when we're talking about a leader is actually identified. It's essentially, they call them multi-leaders in AutoCAD. And a leader is essentially a note with an arrow. That's what it is. So it's not a dimension, it's not text, it's kind of it kind of occupies a place between those two. So I click on leader, watch what it does. I click on leader, and then it basically says specify leader arrowhead. So you start by putting in the arrowhead. So I click here, now watch what happens. See that? It's actually drawing a curved arrow. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to, if I pull it over to this side, this is where I could actually go down and do this, and wherever you go, it's going to give you that curved kind of appearance. And I'll just go ahead, and once I've clicked, I'm going to go ahead and type in sliding door. I'll go ahead and do this, S-L-I-D-I-N-G door. Okay, so sliding door like that. So I've got that. Okay, now that is all you have to do, okay, and that is how that would work. And once you get that right there, this is the same kind of thing you would do for the others. Now, once you click on it, you can change things. So let me show you what you would do for the up and down notation. So if I go here, and if I go to head, and I'll go ahead and just pick a location right here, and I'll go like this, and I'll just type in down. So D-O-W-N, like that, so I got that, and it looks like this. Now, the problem with that right there, I would accept this if you did it this way, but if you want to get it perfect, you click on it, and then you right-click, and you got properties right here. And when you click on properties, you can then go over here, and one of the things I can do is change this spline to be straight. Right here, change it straight. Now when I change it to straight, it gives me the appearance like you see over here. Right here you see that. And then you can take this and edit it. So that's all you'd have to do for those. And I just want to show you that because that's one thing I did not include in the other video that I want to make sure I showed you that. So that is what we would do right there. Pull it straight down like that. Okay, and that is how we'd make the sliding door and the down notations. Right here, I think you can also change whether it's underlined or not. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not too worried about that either, but looks like you could actually do that as well. Looks like left attachment, right attachment, middle line. I could say left attachment, I could just say top of the line, bottom line, underline all text. I don't want to underline all the text. Right attachment. Oh, I guess I go top of the line or middle of the top line. I could do that, and that makes it more like that. So those are a couple things you can do. Now those are called leaders. This is something that you can work with, and these are controlled incidentally by the leader command over here. I only have one that's in here. I think you can have annotated or standard. I think I just did these with standard, and those should work fine because I had them set up. So you're good to go there. So that's it, and I just want to show that to you so you guys are all set and you can put that together. So that's an addendum to week 4 for the CAD for Construction class, fall 2021 at Monroe Community College. So that is it, and let me know if you guys have any questions. You know where to get a hold of me, and please do. Thanks so much.